वेलकम बैक टू कोड टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं रनिंग अ कंटेनराइज्ड ऐप ऑन गूगल कुबरनेट्स इंजन लैब। सो लेट्स क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब। क्लिक कर रहा था तो हमने इस वेबसाइट को रीलोड किया एंड देन वी अगेन क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब एंड लैब स्टार्ट होती है। नाउ ओपन इट इनकॉग्निटो विंडो। क्लिक आई अंडरस्टैंड। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास गूगल का क्लाउड कंसोल यहाँ पे ओपन हो जाएगा। क्लिक आई एग्री एंड कंटिन्यू एंड यहाँ से हम ट्यूटोरियल को क्लोज करेंगे बाय क्लिकिंग लीव। नेक्स्ट ऑन द टास्क 1, we have to set the compute zone. So for running these commands, we need the cloud shell. So we activate the cloud shell by clicking on this icon, expand it, click continue, and click authorize. And after it is loaded, it will look like this. So come back to lab, copy this command and paste it here, then hit enter to run it and set the compute zone to Europe West 1B. Next, this is for you to understand region and zones. Now we have to create a new cluster using this command. And this may take some time, so you have to wait for it patiently. After the cluster creation is complete, come back here and click check my progress. And it is complete. Now to the task 2, we have to do building and publishing the Hello World app. So first run this command to see the project ID, which is here. And then I will clone this repo from GitHub. And then we will change directories. After that, we will build the container by building the Docker file. Then next run this command to build the container. Build is complete, come back here and publish the container. Next, the task 4, deploying the Hello World app. Run this command to create the pod. It is created. Now click check my progress. It is completed. Now we have to run this command to see the deployment that we created using the qwiklabs command, and it is here ready. Next, we can get the pods that are running using this command. It is also ready and running. And then we have to allow external traffic using this command. Next, to get the IP address, we can run this command. So click check my progress here, copy this, come back and run it. And the external IP is still pending, so we have to wait for it. Though the task is complete, and you can end this lab right here. We'll wait for it to come. It may take some time, so just let's leave it and simply remove this. And as it is completed, you can simply end this lab. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos.